Hi, welcome to my unpacking video. So today I have a very exciting box. This is KENZO and this is clothing item. So I always buy from KENZO only shoes. So I got many sneakers already and it's all from sale. And this is the first time then I tried the cardigan that I really like. I really like it before and I wanted to buy it for a long time, but it always was sold out in my size. So this time I finally got my size available and I just purchased it right away when I saw it. So let's see. So this is a cute style because it's oversized, but in the same time it has the zip and this is I guess for many occasions, not on it's sporty or maybe with some leggings or something. It should be super cool. So they always send you this envelope that says KENZO here and with all their stuff and return labels and everything. So and this is the item itself. Let's see. They always pack it so cool. So much love. Okay, so it has so many pepper inside, and this is it. So it's like this, yeah. So they have KENZO stayed here, and this is kind of plastic pepper, something like that. And it seems like it's completely sealed. Oh no, wow. It's actually zip one. It's like a plastic, but at the same time it's pepper and it has a zip, so it's super cute. Super cute to keep your items in there, especially something like that. So, and this is a navy color and I got it in extra small. I wasn't sure about extra small or small. I want kinda oversized style, but not super oversized, so my shoulders go fall for my on the sides, but I decided to try to get this one. So this is on the side you have some like this is huge pockets on both sides, and this is kind of like a v-neck, kind of. Let me take this camera and show you like this. Yeah, so it's extra small over here, KENZO Paris, and this is the tag. So it's called KENZO Sport Zip Cardigan. It's actually not only a sport, because when I saw these pictures, it's so many different styles you can wear it, not necessarily only sport. And this style goes with this KENZO on the back, I mean on the side of your of the sleeve over here. It's gonna be says KENZO like this. So, and I like that this is a zip one and navy color. I decided between black and this one, so I took this one because it was cheaper and discount was bigger on this one, and also I didn't really want to only black one. So let's see, this is made in Turkey, and what's the material here? Okay, I can find this information about them. Oh, it's 67% cotton and 33% polyamide, so not bad. And so it looks very cute. They don't have anything on the back, as I think. Yeah, it's just clear back and it looks super good. So let's find out about prices, because I know that the price for this cardigan is about 400 something. Yep. So the price for this one is $475, and I got it for $245 plus taxes, so I paid like $268 for this one, and I'm very satisfied with my purchase. It looks so cute, and it would work amazing with any leggings, with any like sportish, or maybe not only sportish, I guess even shorts gonna be look awesome in this one. So I can't wait to try this in few weeks to go on my vacation. Thank you for watching this unpacking video with KENZO. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Thanks so much.